Hello, this is Solomon Davis, Right Side Trader. Today is December 2nd, 2024, and this is a quick trade review. This is off educational purposes only, no trade recommendation because as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading, so please check with your financial advisor, please check with your significant other, and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. All right, looking at IWM this morning, it's actually still going to the downside. I kind of gave a warning this past weekend about Russell may sell off a little bit since it had made an all-time high. It's kind of like part of its makeup and all, and that's what we see at this time. Now, on the day trade itself, the market was kind of trending down, drifting down, drifting down. It gave you a little pushback up here at this time, but it couldn't break this previous high that it had there. I was also based on one of my rules and my strategies. I'll put it on the pivot, stay on the pivot, and we also had a red candle, so playing it to the downside was all the stars pretty much aligning. Trending down, couldn't break previous high, broke morning low, downside trade. That's how easy it can be some mornings, and that's all I really want to share at this time. This is Solomon, Right Side Trader. Hope you guys had a great morning, and I'll talk to you later. Again, sum it up on the smaller screen right quick is boom, 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 boom. Let me do it just a little bit here like this. I know it's kind of squeezed in there, and do it like that. Trending downside, bearish pattern, red candle, down to L1, L1. Support 1, support 2. That's it. Have a good one. Talk to you later. Bye. Solomon, Right Side Trader.